So the next function we are going to talk about is arrange. Okay, next हम लोग arrange function के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. Arrange function is important for us when you have to sort your data. If you want to perform some sort of a sorting, आपको किसी भी तरह की कोई sorting apply करनी है, you want to sort your data in ascending order or you want to perform descending order on any column, that you have to use the arrange method. So we just need to write this code again, paste it here. Now we want to sort the data. First let's look at the output. ये हम लोग का आउटपुट था. आउटपुट वॉज कमिंग इन द वे दैट इट वॉज अवेलेबल इन द डेटा. जैसा डेटा में था वैसा वो हम लोग को आउटपुट में नजर आ गया. बट नाउ I want to sort this data, so I will write Control Shift M, enter, then arrange. Use the arrange method and you can pass your column, suppose win by runs. That's it. Now by default it will sort your data in ascending order. By default you can see it is in ascending order. Okay, by default. Now if you say that I want to do sorting in descending order, कि मुझे ascending order में नहीं चाहिए, मुझे descending order में चाहिए, no problem. Just write DESC, that is descending. Now you will get the output in descending order. अब आपको output किस में मिलता है? Descending order में. So using the arrange method we can perform this particular kind of thing कि आप data को sort कर सकते हो ascending या descending order में. Again, an important thing for us. I hope it is also clear that what exactly this arrange method is. With that, we will use one more function. एक function और use कर लेते हैं हम लोग. Another important function known as distinct. Distinct एक useful function है हम लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि distinct function use करके हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? Let's pass df and pass the winner. तो actually distinct का मतलब होता है unique. You just want to see the unique data, so this is the unique data you are having. Okay, so you can just perform this for any column. आप जाकर distinct किसी भी column के साथ apply कर सकते हो. So let's say I am applying distinct with the season and execute this. You will get all the distinct values. Okay, तो distinct का सिर्फ यही purpose है कि इसको जाकर values को uniquely identify करना है, that how many unique values you have in the particular column. I hope it is clear the use of arrange and distinct.